welcome. I just came from the reception. I just picked up my X30 and I want to show you the unboxing. Let's go. Let me open it up. Studio X30. What we have. We got the Studio X30. And the other one in this box is the TC8. So you can order them separate if you want, X30, X50, TC8, but you can also order this as a bundle. Now, what is in the box? Let me show you. First of all, the TC8, of course, instruction manual, don't forget to read them or review video. The TC8, very important, very nice and slick, and you can look at the other videos to see how it all works. In the back we got a single connector, so make sure you can hook this up to your network on the table. Also bring power from the switch or with an injector, and you got it already. One device on the table. Of course there's a cable coming with it, around 5 meters, so this should be sufficient at the table. And with this you can control the X30 or the X50. That is the TC8. Now, the most exciting one, the Studio X30. What is in the box? Let me show you. I'm also very excited. We got, of course, the instruction manual, so in case you want to review all the equipment that comes with it. And here you go, the X30. We have power cable, we have power supply, very important, comes with it. Don't mix the power supply with the X50, different power supplies. We have an HDMI cable, X30 is single screen. We have a network cable, very important. We want to, of course, centrally manage all those devices for software updates and, of course, new features and everything. So we got a network cable. A very important one is we have a clamp. So there's a clamp coming with the X30, and this is to hook it up to a screen. Very important. So there's a bit here that reaches out, and you can put this on top of a screen. Very flexible. This one comes with the X30. There's also a stand for on the table. There's one for under the screen. Different options, but this one comes by default with the X30. Now, the most exciting moment, the X30. Yes, and it feels very nice and solid. So let me quickly open it up. This is really nice. The look and the feel, and I think what they put into this box is really amazing. So you got here a Zoom system without a PC. You got a protector for your camera. There's application just running on this device. There's no additional PC required. It's all running on this device. What connectors do we have? We have a gigabit connector for the network to centrally manage it. We got a USB port. This is to hook it up to a touchscreen. So if you walk into the room, you can start your meeting or start a whiteboard session. There's also a whiteboard function built into it. We got an HDMI input port for your PC. We got a USB-C for future use. We have a monitor output because single screen, so monitor output. And of course the power and everything. So it's super compact. It's really nice. So you put this into your Hoofddorp small room. It's easy to set up. Hook up the HDMI, hook up the network, and just choose the application you want to use. Zoom, and we expect Teams this year on this device. I think it's really a 1.5 if you ask me. This was just a quick unpack video. Hopefully you liked it, and we're looking forward to the next one.